Hey, we got 2 more trains coming. One eastbound, got a westbound part there. Also, they're going to be the last ones. Here it comes. Saw so many. We're going to be leaving in a minute though. That was so much fun. Comes the eastbound. Right there. There it comes. It's coming fast. I don't know yet. Let's enjoy it. In the Chesterton, Indiana, this area. There we go. It's coming fast. Cool. 2 more. That's what I'm hoping. I can't tell. It looks like a mixed fight. It's fucking hot out. Comes. It's like, can't tell. It might be 2 engines or 1 engine. 2 engines. Here it comes. Bye. Yeah, I think I did. I think it's coming. I will find out. I hope he moves in a minute. Oh, hang on. That was awesome. See him? Yep. Hang on. We'll see in a few minutes.